Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a double shoulder drop. Now obviously it would be a really good idea if you know how to do a single shoulder drop already, and it would be useful if you know how to do a catapult already. So in case you've not met those, we put a link in the description below for the teaching clips for those moves, so if you need to know them, you can go back and fill in that gap in your repertoire. So double shoulder drop looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. Let's break it down. Starts off right to right. In fact, it starts with an accordion situation, so we go semicircle and back. We're going to offer the left over the top, palm to the lady, but obviously if you're already in an accordion that would be ideal. We come in, collect the hand, the left goes over the lady, the right comes up, the right goes over the lady. As she comes round, guys turn to the right underneath the right arm, both arms come up, make it to the shoulders, go outwards, but they go outwards so that they don't actually pull the lady forwards. So you're going to reach back slightly at the same time, come back to the shoulders, they slide down the body and recatch behind, so you're in a catapult lean position, and then you just finish as a catapult in on the side, spin, catch, return and back. So let's think numbers from the other side. So we go right to right, semicircle back and offer. 1, return the lady. 2, make it to the shoulders. 3, we go out. 4, to the shoulders. 5, recatch. 6, to the side. 7, spinning. 8, catching. 1, returning. 2 and back. 3. So let's do it together. Here we go. Right to right and 5, 6, a double shoulder drop. You go offer, return, shoulders, out, shoulders, lean to the side, spin and catch, return and back. The only tip I would give on top of what we've already said is that when you're doing the bit on the shoulders down and back up, you want to make sure that you're still dancing right the way down to the floor as opposed to just standing still, because it looks a bit odd if you stand still and do nothing else at that point. And I think that's it. So go out, use it, enjoy it, play with it, see if you have fun with that particular variation. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice to. Comes up in the windows in the last few seconds of the video. Like, subscribe and pop the notification bell on, guys, because that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.